Hey friends, today I'm going to talk to you about a wrongful death action. It's an unpleasant thing because what it is a family member has passed away for whatever reason, but typically an accident or negligence by another person or a product. And the people that bring it on behalf of that deceased family member is either a parent or not a brother or sister ever. It's linear. In other words, it goes up or down. So the parents or the children can bring an action on behalf of the parent that was, let's say, in a car accident and died. The way this works is you sort of stand in place of the person that has passed away and then bring an action for, not for their pain and suffering, but for the damages incurred by the family members. Think of this as a pie. Let's assume there's 4 children and there's a spouse. So the spouse and the 4 children are 5 pieces of the pie, and depending on how big that pie is and the damages per person, that's how it's split up. And that's the way a typical wrongful death action works. If somebody has had, and this actually happened to me, where they had 12 kids, there weren't any spouses that were alive, but 12 children, they all had one slice of that pie. So it happened to be a big pie, so it worked out fine. But that's the way it works. And it's usually, if they can all get together, they all take an equal slice. But if they can't, then a judge will decide as to whether or not someone gets more than the next person. That's put it in a very simplistic way, but a wrongful death action is brought on behalf of the deceased person. It's not the estate, it's the actual living linear descendants or the parents or the husband or wife that has survived that person or the children. And they bring an action on behalf of them in their own name on behalf of the deceased individual. I hope it's understandable to you. It's a little bit difficult, but it's just like a regular personal injury case where instead of you bringing it, your family brings it on your behalf, and then they reap I shouldn't say reap, but they get the damages in proportion to their loss. And if that was a breadwinner, like a father that had a bunch of kids and he had an income and he was supporting those kids, then the theory is that the damages will be based on the amount of money that the kids have now lost in terms of supporting them. If you have any questions, always give me a call. Thank you.
This posted video is in no way specific legal advice on any subject. It is intended to provide general information for the public. If you need specific legal advice, call Chuck at 480-545-0700.